guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to make a review for this product. It's Blueidea Shiatsu massage cushion. So I bought this yesterday for only 2,800, but the original price for this product is actually 6,990, but they were on sale, so I did grab the opportunity because I will give this as a present to my dad. If you want to know more about the product, please stick around, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you do like my video. So, eto yung box guys, and pwede siyang gamitin sa office, interior use, pwede siyang car, kung may car ka, pwede siya sa loob ng bahay, and of course, for health enjoyment. So, dito naman, may nakasulat na Deep Health Shiatsu. It relieves the tightest knots, rolling massage. And sa kabila naman, there are total 8 and toe gong massage, infrared temperature, and char function. Yeah. And eto yung brochure. So this product has 7 special characteristics. So open na natin. Pala yung front. So, medyo malaki siya, guys. Here. Oh! And then, so, remove natin yung plastic para makita nyo. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Mayroon siya parang belt. So, pwede nyo siyang, if may ano kayo, pwede nyo siyang i-insert doon sa pillow sa bahay. So, sa pagkakaalam ko, meron ding black neto. Red tsaka black. Oh. So, sa box may nakalagay na infrared. So, actually may 4 dito na bilog. Tapos 4 na pula yung sa infrared. So, yung mafe-feel nyo is parang mag-iinit yung katawan nyo. Katawan nyo. So, parang mainit siya. Oh. Kasi na-try ko to bago ko siya binili. And sa loob ng box, merong ganito. Yung saksakan. And I think you need adapter. So, kung bibili kayo na to guys, you need to have an adapter. Pero kung meron naman kayong outlet na pwede lang siyang i-insert na ganitong ano. So, no problem. And, if may car kayo, tapos gagamitin nyo to siya sa loob ng car, ito yung gagamitin nyo. Here. Okay. So, now, we will try to plug this. Right? So, dito nyo siya i-plug here. This one. Dito sa outlet. And then, yung sa kabilang dulo. Dito siya sasaksak. Ay, sorry. So, to turn this on, you just have to press on. And then off. So, kung gusto nyo pa clockwise, here, or anti-clockwise, dyan. I-stop, nasa gitna. So, it's very easy. Plug nyo ulit. And then, eto naman, kung dadalhin or gagamitin nyo siya sa loob ng car, sila nyo i-plug nyo. Ito sa car. Hindi. Oh. Nice. Mainit siya, guys. Pwede din siya sa neck. Relaxing. Sulit kayo. Super nice talaga, guys. And very relaxing. So, for example, gusto nyong magbiyahe using your car, you can have this one. So, I think pwede siya for all ages. Hindi lang sa mga matatanda. Pwede din siya sa mga, alam mo yun, pagod yung katawan always. So, super, medyo may pagka-ano siya sa likod. Medyo mainit siya, guys, dahil sa infrared. This is good for blood circulation. Yan, pwede na ako matulog. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So if you have the money na, pwede nyo bilhin or bilhan yung parents nyo, especially yung papa nyo or yung mama nyo, or kahit mga friends nyo na madalas sumakit yung likod. So, parang on sale pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. So, why not you grab the opportunity? Right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you soon!